Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Lydia's Cooking Hacks. Today, I'm going to show you how to make one of Nigerians' favorite snacks, Chin Chin. It's crispy, golden, and absolutely delicious. If you don't like your snacks too sweet, don't worry, I will show you how to adjust the sugar to your taste. So let's get started. Before I get started, I like to measure all my ingredients first. This helps me to double check that nothing is missing, and it makes the cooking process smooth and stress-free. Now let's start with the dry ingredients. In a bowl, I will mix sugar, all-purpose flour, salt, nutmeg, and baking powder. I always love how nutmeg adds, that cozy sweet aroma to chin chin. It makes the kitchen smell amazing, right? And next, I will move on to the wet ingredients. You can use milk, water, or both. If your dough feels too dry, just add 1 to 3 tablespoons of milk or water, little by little until it comes together. Transfer to a clean surface and knead. Knead gently, okay? Once the dough is formed, let it rest for a few minutes. Then roll it out with a rolling pin, not too thick, not too thin, around ½ an inch in height. Cut into any shape you like, squares, stripes, even small rounds. Check out my channel for other interesting videos. Now, here is an important step: testing the oil. Before frying, toss in a small piece of chin chin. If it stays at the bottom with no bubbles, the oil isn't ready yet. But if it starts bubbling and rises gently to the top, perfect, it's ready. Once your oil is hot enough, carefully add your chin chin pieces. Reduce the heat a little and stir gently while frying. This helps them to cook evenly and prevents burning. A beautiful light golden brown, remove them from the oil and place them on a wire rack. This will drain off any excess oil and keep them nice and crispy. And that's it. Your homemade chin chin is ready, golden, crunchy, and irresistible. Store them in an airtight container and they will stay fresh for days. Serve with your favorite drink and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, my beautiful people. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. Let me know in the comments how your chin chin turned out. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, keep cooking with love and stay blessed. See you in my next video.